Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Honestly, these are so good, I don't even know how to describe them. They're so delicious, you don't want to miss out. So let's get started. First, in a small bowl, add in the lukewarm milk, yeast, and sugar, and beat them really well together using a fork. And then set it aside for 10 minutes until the yeast is activated. And then in a large bowl, add in the flour, bread flour, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. And then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the flour mixture until it's evenly combined. It's okay if it's not fine. Then once your yeast mixture has activated, add it to the flour mixture. And add in the eggs and the pumpkin puree and mix them in until the dough starts forming, and then turn it out onto the counter and knead it until the dough forms, and then continue kneading it for another 5 minutes. Grease the same bowl that you had the dough in before with non-stick cooking spray. And place the dough into the bowl, move it around until the dough is coated in the oil. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And let it rise in a warm place for at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Then to make the cinnamon sugar filling, in a small bowl add the brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. Once the dough has risen, turn it out onto a floured work surface and roll it out until it's about 10 inches wide and about 18 to 20 inches long. And then spread the softened butter all over the rolled out dough. And then sprinkle the cinnamon sugar all over the top. And then starting from the bottom, roll it up. And then cut it into 16 pieces. It's best to cut it using a piece of dental floss. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. And add each of the rolls into the pan. Cover it in a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour until they double in size again. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then after your pumpkin rolls have risen, bake them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then to make the cream cheese glaze that's going on top, in a medium bowl add the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and milk and beat them in until they're well combined. Once your pumpkin rolls are done baking, remove them from the oven, let them cool for 10 minutes. And then spread the cream cheese glaze all over the top. And they're best served immediately. And that's how to make pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.